What is going on, guys? So as you may or may not be aware, by the time you see this video, we sort of finished up Colette's Evo. Jimmy and my friend Josue are actually going to be taking care of the rest of that. Josue is going to build a downpipe. Jimmy's going to take care of all the little ancillary stuff that we didn't get to, but we're on a time crunch. So we're actually taking a trip. Heading down to North Carolina. My father is a military veteran. He's a Vietnam veteran. He is a Gulf War veteran. And he is getting honored again by the military and a few other organizations that deal with the military. So figured we'd surprise him, take a trip down to North Carolina. It's about a 12-hour drive or so. We were working on the Evo until probably 2:30 in the morning. Went home, got 4 or 5 hours of sleep, came down, found out we had to do a little bit of work on the truck before we make the 12-hour trip. So we did that, and currently just sitting here in the truck. Adam and Colette are on their way back, and I actually want to hang around because I've never met Colette, and I'd like to you know, at least say hello. I've been working on her car for a month, so should be cool. But anywho, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna cut this clip here. The next clip you'll probably see will be a time lapse of us driving to North Carolina, and you guys can enjoy all the beautiful foliage the Northeast has to offer at this time of year. Well, this isn't real fun. 30 minutes in and already stuck in traffic. But this is a relaxing trip, and we are going to enjoy the beautiful Peterbilt that is next to us. I don't know if you guys can see that. We'll wait for him to pull up a little bit. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Very nice truck. Well, we made it here to grand old North Carolina, to my dad's house. And you can see where I get my liking of Dodges from, because we got the old Longhorn Laramie here. So it's a giant camper, but this thing did amazing. Hand calculated, we got about 20 miles to the gallon on the way down, and made it all the way here without an issue. So we are good. I think we're gonna go chill with the fam now, so see you guys later.
We all know that freedom is not free. The cost of freedom is the dedication of lives of men and women just like you. And this quilt is given to say thank you for your service. We know that there are many who were never thanked for their service and not appreciated for their service. And we want to say we thank you and we honor you. And finally, this quilt is meant to offer comfort to you, and we want you to know that through our quilts, you are forever in our thoughts and our hearts. And Euclid St. Pierre, forgive me if I pronounce that wrong. He was in the Army in the Gulf War. Okay. No, I'm sorry, I just went my dates. Anyway? Oh, I'm sorry, Vietnam. the Army in Vietnam.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Alright guys, so in case you didn't know, we're taking a trip to North Carolina, or we took a trip to North Carolina. You probably saw all that stuff. My father's been living down here for about 25 years now, and you know, we needed a little bit of a vacation, so we decided to come down. And on top of that, my father is a Vietnam veteran as well as a Desert Storm veteran. So one of the purposes of me coming down here, aside from vacation, was the fact that he was actually receiving a quilt to award his service and appreciate his service in the military and in the wars that he fought in. So pretty cool stuff, and I wanted to make sure that I was down here for it, and so I'm here. So we're gonna get some cool footage, we're gonna get some cool stuff. We just got done fixing my truck because I noticed that the bed was wiggling a little bit. We had a couple of bolts that had backed out, so we fixed that up, and now we're gonna go chill by the fire and have a good night. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels. Instead of letting it go, I let it
Alright guys, so we are officially done with our trip. Well, not done with our trip, we're on the trip home. We left North Carolina. I didn't film a whole lot at my dad's house because I haven't seen him in, God, probably a year and a half, so I wanted to make sure I spent a ton of time with him. I did get some really cool drone footage though, and you guys have seen that probably already in the video. If not, you're going to see it. We got some kick-ass time-lapse on the way down and the way back. We got some sunrise, sunset stuff, so it's definitely going to be a good video, and you know, I hope you guys enjoy it. I know I enjoyed myself, and we're just going to make the trek home now. We got probably about 8 hours left. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, something around there, and we're going to be getting back on the road. We just stopped to grab something to eat. I keep saying we, it's I just stopped to grab something to eat because I was starving, starting to feel it, and I had to pee for the 100th time. But I'm gonna get back on the road now, and I will hopefully see you guys at home.
We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for that ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.
guys, so I realized as I'm sitting here editing this video, I never did an outro. We actually got home last night at about, I want to say 6:30, 7 o'clock, and I was just so wiped out that I tidied up a few little things, answered some emails, went home, and went to bed. But it was a good trip overall. I really hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I got. I wanted to get some more because we were working on my dad's car, which is a 69 Plymouth GTX, and it's super cool. But again, I haven't seen him in a long time, so it was just one of those things where I really wanted to make sure that I got to spend as much quality time with him as possible. So no phones, no emails, no nothing, just, you know, hanging out and doing country stuff, which is what you do in an area where it's 25 minutes from everywhere. Place of geographical oddity. But yeah, so I had a really good time. It was really nice to see my dad, and you know, again, it was really cool to see Quilts of Valor come out and honor him with a quilt that was handmade and hand stitched, and that was really some cool stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. I really appreciate it. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers, which is incredible for this channel. I never thought it would be, you know, more than 10 people that watched it, but it's going really, really well. So we got a couple more videos on deck for you. We got some more Jeep stuff coming. We had a few other odds and ends coming. We just finished up a car for, I'm sure you guys have probably guessed already, but we just finished that up and got that out. So there'll be some more videos coming. Again, I'm still tired, so I'm not going to keep rambling, but thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you think. All right, guys, have a wonderful night.